Hi unicorns, in today's video I'm doing an Ashley Spinelli from Recess makeup tutorial, and I'm kind of doing a twist on it, not the classic Ashley Spinelli but someone who actually enjoys makeup and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try to do like an artsy Ashley Spinelli. So if you're interested, I highly encourage you to keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video down below. To start off this video, I'm going to use Suva Beauty. This is the color Acid Trip Water Activated Hydra Liners. I'm just going to spray that with a little bit of water. I didn't want to put anything on my eyes, so I just cleaned up my brows, and now I'm going to set my eyes. So I just have a water spray, and I'm going to work my way through this. I've never tried these out, so hopefully it's good. And then I want to connect it over here and just make a liner. Kinda want to put it together. I'm moving on to face, and I'm going to be using the Bliss Renew and Smooth Serum, and then I'm going to go in with my moisturizer. And I'm going to use my Glow Recipe Watermelon Moisturizer. Moving on to the face, I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place Foundation. This is in the shade Capri 630, and I'm using my Artiste brush, of course. And I'm going to go ahead with my Born This Way concealer. Now I'm going to use my Laura Mercier powder. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Master Chrome highlight. This is a molten gold one. I'm using my Burt's Bees Toasted Cinnamon Blush. I'm also going to go in with my Tarte Epic Blush. For my lips, I'm going to go in with the ColourPop BFF2 pencil. This is a Shayla Times ColourPop in the shade Quickie. Alright guys, so that is the final look for Ashley Spinelli. I just threw on my leather jacket. I had this shirt on already, and I'm glad that she actually has two different oranges because she has a lighter beanie and this exact color. So I just got this at the dollar store, and the hat at H&M, also from H&M, and the shirt is from Zara. But you could really pick up like any shirt from Walmart that's like kind of like an orangey burnt orange tone and hit this tone right here. That is it for today's video on Ashley Spinelli. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really liked doing it for you, and it's so easy. It's something super easy to do. Like I said, I wanted to do an Ashley Spinelli kind of like all grown up, and she's into makeup, so that's why I did the whole liner situation and the two little dots up here, just so it gives it like a different feel, but it's not a lot of makeup. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video, which will appear right here.